Hello friends, this is another tutorial in the series of DHTML. Hope you are enjoying this series. In this tutorial we will learn about how to detect the browser of the user. In the old days, not all the browsers support DHTML and JavaScript. So as a developer, one needs to get aware of the browser the user is using. There is also a tag called a noScript, which is used when JavaScript is not enabled in the browser. So it is always a good coding practice to include a backup type when JavaScript is not enabled in any of the browser. DHTML supports a method called navigator.userAgent, which returns a string comprising of the user's browser. One can extract the user agent from that string, and later on, depending upon that user agent, design his pages. So let's start some coding. We use JavaScript, so here write language JavaScript. Then using navigator dot user agent, this method returns a string comprising of the user's browser. Then we simply show the alert message and the script. So simple as that. So once we preview the script into a browser, it will show the message depicting the browser of the user. So let's preview the script. Here, this is showing the complete string of the browser. One should note that the original browser is located in between. In this case, it is Chrome. So that was all about detecting the user's browser using DHTML. Thank you.